Now I can't actually see where that went. This is not exactly BBC quality. Oh, there it is. She's lost the propeller. Not the first time.
They're just going to rebuild.
Rebuild in progress, yes. This is Brighton. Over there is France. Over there, Brighton. I would try and find the conference centre, but it seems to have vanished.
Over there.
That's Nikki over there with a plane in her hand. Now, just wait for me to zoom out for just one moment. Okay.
Ready?
Go on then, hit France. This is no golf commentary, this, is it?
I lost my propeller again.
There it is. Her propeller keeps falling off. Come here.
Not very scientific.
We need a new cameraman. Go on then. It was never quite going to work, was it? Hang on, I'm going to have a go. Right.
This is Carl's aeroplane attempt. Ready?
You got to follow.
I'm going to try. Oh! It went in completely the wrong... It's like a Baywatch moment. Are we going?
I don't mind being seen in an arse.
Are we going again? Oh! That was quite a good one.
You're not worth the money all the time.
Baywatch not your speciality, no? No, me! Oh, go on then.
The wind's going that way. See?
I'm really not very good at this game. That man's got a really big car, yeah. Ah! That's an extreme close-up.
Nikki?
Yes.
Nikki's teeth, which she kind of got out of tongue. This has been the International Kite Flying Championship.
Bye-bye.